Hello everyone, this is Profit Traders Online. My name is Akmal Nazirov, and today we have a trading interview with trader from Holland, Julio van Leeuwaarde, right?
Yes, Julio van Leeuwaarde.
Okay.
Yeah, very difficult.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yes,
So I'm very happy that we rise up our like markets, and now we are in Holland, and we have traders with Holland from Holland. So I want to ask you some questions, a few questions about you, about your biography. The first question: how many years you are in trading?
So I'm now trading let me see, around 2022, 2016, yeah, 6 years.
6 years.
Yeah.
And what is your experience? I mean, what kind of markets you trade, or you have experience in what kind of markets?
Yes, so I trade the stock market, I trade the commodities market, I trade the crypto market, and I trade the Forex market.
Forex, I had experience
Yeah.
in Forex. Okay, how are you doing? How did you come to this trading? What was your motivation for this? And just how did you come to this?
Yeah, I got pushed out of my comfort zone. I was a business owner, and I only had one stream of income. And yeah, that's where I lost a lot of money in one business, and it made me look for other opportunities to make money. So I got introduced into online investments and trading on the stock market, and that's how the journey started, through the stock market.
Okay, so but what was your motivation? Why you start trading?
An extra income. That was
Extra.
yeah, the extra income. Extra income streams, multiple income streams. That was my motivation. The money.
Okay.
I'm in it for the money.
How do your family feels about trading? Do you have time to be with your family?
Yes, of course. In the beginning, it was a lot of how do you call it, screen time and education, but in the meantime, I found a way, or a few ways, to make it easier, so I have a lot of time. Yeah.
Okay, good. So what is your best deal in trading, and what is the biggest deal? I mean, one order.
One order.
Yeah, what is the biggest order in your like trading experience?
You mean in the crypto market?
Depends. Doesn't. Yeah.
Okay, for one order, the amount, how much I invested?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, that's above 100K.
100K.
Yeah.
So what was the result?
Like 25K.
Which period?
In a period of, I think it was 1 week.
1 week, 25K. Wow, it's 25%. Yeah.
25%. That was one big move in 1 week, and yeah, I just made it.
It's crypto, yes.
In the crypto. That was in the crypto. Yeah.
Okay, but tell me, you have like 25%. It's really good result. But what is your worst result during your time? Like,
Yeah. In loss, which one I took, and I can say I took a loss of around 89K in the Forex market.
89.
Yeah, and that was a loss.
So you like
money got
yeah, it is bad. It is bad. Yeah.
That was in 1 month. Yeah.
I know it's like a lot of I heard a lot of stories that it have to be with trader. It have to be, you have like to lose and you have to win, because even you haven't like lose, you don't understand how to win.
Yeah, that is correct.
Okay, I know that a lot of traders has like percentage like yield in a month, in like in year. What is your middle percentage of yield like in 1 month or in 1 year?
Yeah. So in the first years, I always wanted to make a lot more percentage, but that's when I didn't understand the markets and I didn't have my coaches and mentors that also taught me how to really make money in this market. So, but now we have now I have a strategy that I only take 1 to 4% per month out of the market.
From total deposit or from
the
order?
from the total deposit. That is
And
the safest strategy. I trade 3 strategies, but the safest strategy for bigger funds that I manage is 1 to 4% per month, and that's safe.
you said that you had you managed some funds of like funds, big funds, you mean?
Yeah.
You was like a manager, you had experience?
Yeah, I'm a chief analyst, and also I'm a daily trader, but now I am, how do you call it? I'm duplicating, so I have students that also trade for me. I have robots that also trade for me that assist me. So the funds is getting bigger and bigger, and that's why people get the opportunity through technology to copy trade or to follow me, you know, and to profit sharing kind of opportunities like profit traders also. That is thanks to the technology. It is very easy to manage now.
Oh yeah, that's why we built this pretty good service for the people who don't understand the trading, or they don't have time to trade,
they don't have time,
or they don't have, or they are lazy. Like this.
Maybe they have a business or a job, but they want to put their money not in the bank anymore because the banks don't give any more percentage. Then you can seek opportunities elsewhere, like in the crypto market and the forex market. And now we have profit traders that makes it easy and possible that people can participate in this market.
Yes, exactly. So actually, you said that you have students. What you are doing? Like you're teaching people? How many students you have at this moment?
So now I have only three students only that I teach. Because I don't have time anymore. And previously, I always said that I teach my student one-to-one, person to person. I'm not a guy who's going to teach them, lock into that, and this is a video, go watch it. No, I want to teach you. I want to show you the market. I will go with you in the market, jump with you in the sea, and help you, assist you till I can let you loose. So with that method, you get to build a solid base of people you can work with, you know, and that is a very good approach that I did, and that's paying off. I've taught a lot of students. I think around now 200 students that I've taught. Not that the gurus on the YouTube that's million students. No, just 200 students. That's what I taught, and that's enough. Out of that, you always have people who stop, people who quit, people who succeed, people who become great students, and the one who goes further on, who never gives up. That's what I teach them. It's a psychology. The mindset is very tough in the investment markets. Is that what you have to work on daily? Then you will survive and become a great trader eventually.
Is it hard to be a professional trader, or it's easy?
Yes, of course, it's hard. It's hard work. It's a business. It is personal involvement, is growth, and growth comes with pain. I can tell you.
That's why we're telling to everyone that not to people who are interested in trading, and they, oh, I want to be like a trader. Okay, do you have time? Yeah, I will find. Okay, do you have a patient? Maybe yes, maybe no. So okay, so what do you think about, like, what kind of period you need to understand the market, the mechanic of the market, technical analysis, like everything like this? How do you think about it?
Between 2 and 4 years it will take you. If you're fast and you do the work, you take the action. It took me 2 years actually, but most of the people which I taught, my mentors, everything, they took them also 2 to 4 years, most of them 4 years. But I think if you are committed, it will take you 2 years to be consistently profitable. Not that you will win every day, but you will get a a good return on investment and a stable income.
Okay, people think that traders win every day. What can you tell about this?
No, that's not true. We lose, we take the loss sometimes. Sometimes you have to take some losses just to go into other opportunities. So, but that's how you can grow slowly. You take a loss, grow, and then you reach momentum. And then the thing is that you have to come to a level that when you fall, you don't fall too much anymore down. You can fall down, but you fall in a rising trend with your money.
Yeah.
So that's how it went for me also. Yeah, in the beginning, I lost a lot. Then I started getting some returns, and then it started building solidly. Daily loss, daily profit, daily loss, but it went up and up. And that's how your income grow, compound. And for example, then you're going to make a living out of it. Then you can remove money from the market and pay your things, your vacation, your bills, etc., etc. You know, and the thing is, you have, yeah, there are a few rules that you have to learn, and yeah, you have to go for it. And I can tell you, it is daily, a daily habit, yeah, that you have to work on.
Yeah. So how do you calculate your risk management? Because I understand that trader, when he enter the market, when he open the order, he have to analyze, yes,
Yeah.
what kind of stop loss, what is your risk management for one order?
Yeah, so it depends. In the crypto market, I trade only spot market now. I don't trade futures anymore. That means I don't short on the market. So I stay in it. I buy the crypto, so I own the crypto. So I trade only the big guys, the big coins, the solid coins, and that means if it goes down into the if the price goes down, that means I'm not going to sell, because that coin will rise eventually again. What goes down must go up, and what goes up must come down eventually. So you have to know, if I made a wrong decision and I see that the market took a turn that, for example, I bought in and I thought it was going up, but yeah, through economic circumstances, everybody's dumping, for example, Bitcoin. Then the price of Bitcoin drops, then I just hold the Bitcoin. Then I apply another rule called DCA, dollar cost average. That means that I will buy the dips also, but I won't buy the dip directly. I have a percentage that I'm going to buy. So that means when the market drops 20%, then is the next time that I'm going to buy in. So in crypto, I don't trade with percentage stop loss. For example, like in the Forex market. In the Forex market, I risk 1 to 2% on a trade. That is my, but in crypto, you can do it also with the futures, but in the crypto market, it is not needed, because I don't trade coins that have high risk, that they will disappear, for example. Of course,
what will you tell to your like clients who will copy you if they see that you bought you bought some coin, but it draw down like minus 20% or 30%? What will you tell, or like how you explain this?
For the beginners, if the people are new to the crypto, I tell them, in the crypto, it moves, like I said, 20 to 30%. So yeah, 25 to 30% drawdown, you can place a stop out. And I think you guys also have a stop out option. And I will, if you don't want to be long in the trade, then I say put in the stop loss and the stop out. But if you say you want to follow the real strategy, and what I do is I try to get 1 to 3% per trade in the crypto market. And in the crypto market, I just try to make 1 to 3% per trade. If I get the 3% or the 1.5%, I get out of the market. I don't stay too long in it. Then, for example, if I've invested in 2,000, then I made, if 1%, I made a $20 in that trade. You know, and I try to do it most of the time only when I see that there is a trend going on. If there is no trend, then they will come. For example, like what happened a few days ago, we had a bear rally, we call it, and eventually people thought we were bullish, but yeah, I analyzed the market and I told a few of my students, no, we're going down again. And eventually see it came out, we went down again. And that's what I said. Now we're going to watch when we're going to step in, because we're looking at the economic events that are happening now. So if we see that, for example, the dollar gets stronger, then we're not going to step in the market. If the dollar get weak, then we're going to look for the opportunities and whoa, step in, take 1 to 3%, get out of the market again. And when the market keeps trending, then we trade the pullbacks. That means that when the market goes up, it will take a rest, then it will come down again. And when it goes down in a certain percentage, then we buy one position in again. And that's how I do the risk management. And if one gets wrong, yeah, then I stay with one trade longer, and I buy three levels deep. I buy 3 levels deep. So one, for example, I go in with $500 in the first position. Now the market's dropped 20%, then I put $1,000 in it. Now the market drops again 20%. Yeah, then that's how I go to make the trade more profitable if the market turns against me. And most of the time, all of them recovers eventually. Yeah.
Okay, so we understand that your strategy is like daily trade or sometimes long-term trade.
Yes.
And how do you select the trading pairs? Like how you analyze, for example, at this moment I will buy, because we know that we start together work like 2 or 3 months ago, but I know that you take a small pause, like because you understand the market. You said now is not good time to trade. Like, can you explain this?
Yes, I look on the fundamentals of the economic events that happens, and I go deep. I have data that I analyze, information that I get. I pay a lot also for the information that I get. So that means I get, we call that the COD data, where the hedge funds are playing the game and the retail traders are playing the game. So the retail sentiment, and you have the institutional sentiment. Now, because of that, we can see that the big guys are not going, for example, to buy into the markets when the retail traders are placing some positions. For example, if they are short, they're not going to short the market with the retail traders. No, because the truth is that the institutes, they are out to get your money. That's how it works. So you want to be at the side of the big guys. So you want to, we don't have the full data that they have, but that amount of capital that they have, because they are playing big. But we want to be on the winning side. And because of that, then we can look at the data if events are happening. So events in the economics of the world, the biggest countries, the biggest players. Now we have the war going on. We have the COVID that happened. We have all those events we are analyzing before we make a decision to go into the market. And because we see that the institutes, for example, they want to drop the BTC down all the way to 14 or to 10K. Of course, they want to buy in cheaper. You have to think like a institute. And that's how we make our decision, trying to be on that side of the institutes to make more profitable trades and make more money eventually for ourselves and for our clients.
Okay, this is a very good interview, and I want to ask you just, what will you tell to your followers who will choose you to copy trade?
I would say welcome. That's the first thing, and congratulations taking how do you call it, making a decision in your life to increase your wealth and increase your portfolio. And the thing is, what I do is I always try to, I'm not trying, I'm always acting and taking the action that is needed to become consistently profitable. And if you want someone who is not a get rich quick, how do you call it, schemer, that tells you you can make a lot of money in a fast period of time, then don't follow me. Follow me if you want to make consistently normal and good profit and a good money management trader that you can follow. Then you're at the right place by clicking on that button and follow me.
Okay, Julio, thank you very much for this interview. It will be very good if we will make like a short market views with you, like in the future.
Yeah.
And yeah, so thank you very much for
Yes.
everything, and have a nice day.
Yes, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.